Game. Start. We'll make it short, huh? We are now here to celebrate the marriage of Ignacio Herrera and Florin Robles. Before we start, are there any objections to this marriage?
No!
You heard it. Yeah.
No!
Yeah. Okay. You guys tell your vows. Vows. Hurry up, vows! Loud. Hold. Show the finger.
I, Ignacio Herrera, promise to love you forever and ever and ever. Amen.
I, Florin Robles, promise to love Ignacio Herrera forever.
Okay.
Now,
Do you, Ignacio Herrera, take Florin Robles? Okay. Do you, Florin Robles, take Ignacio? Okay, there. Parvas and me by Ignacio. I now pronounce you husband and wife. You make this the bride. Lips! Make it modest. Lips. 1, 2, 3. Lips. I now pronounce you husband.